Imagine this well fried goat meat mixed with some fresh herbs and spices and combined with some rice. An amazing burst of flavors. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. Today we'll be making this delicious goat meat fried rice. These are some of the ingredients I'll be using. We have some goat meat, we have some red peppers that I'll blend roughly, we have some chopped green onions, we have chopped garlic and ginger, green bell peppers, some onions and green chili. Now we'll begin by placing the goat meat into the pot, and in goes our chopped onions. Next, the garlic and ginger. Next, the thyme, and then I'll add in some curry powder as well. Then I'll add in some seasoning cubes. You can use seasoning powder if that is what you have. I'll just crumble that in, and then I'll add in some salt to your taste. Then I'll mix that all together. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook in its own juices for a few minutes. Now this is about 7 to 8 minutes later. It has released some of its juices. So I'll add in some water just so I can have enough to cook the rice in. So I'll add in enough water to cook the goat meat, and then I'll cover and allow the meat to cook properly. After about 20 minutes of cooking, the goat meat is well cooked. So I'll take out the goat meat and set it aside. After taking out all the goat meat, I'll set it aside and allow it to cool down until it is cool enough for me to touch. So while the goat meat is cooling down, I'll just come over here and roughly blend my peppers using this manual blender. Now that the goat meat has cooled down, I'll cut it into bite sizes. With everything cut into bite sizes, I'll proceed to lining them up on my baking tray to send them to the oven. Now you can choose to fry this if you want to, but I didn't want to fry it on this day. That's why I am grilling it. So I'll just spread this around and send it to the oven for grilling. While the goat meat is grilling, let's prepare our rice. So to our goat meat broth, I'll add in some water, enough to cook the rice. Then I'll taste before I begin to season. Yes, that is really important. You taste before you season so you don't over season. Now I realized I need a little more seasoning, so I added in 1 seasoning cube and a little bit of salt. I'll stir that together and cover and allow it come to a rolling boil. Once that has boiled, I'll taste again to be sure before I'll add in parboiled rice. Now you can decide to use any kind of rice here, but here I'm using pre-boiled rice. Just add that in. I'll cover and allow it cook until it is about 95% cooked. Now the rice has cooked. I'll just fluff it up and then set it aside. Now our goat meat is ready. We'll set it aside and put this delicious meal together. To a pan, I'll add in some vegetable oil, then some chopped onions. I'll give that a good stir. And in goes our chopped garlic and ginger. I'll stir that as well until it is fragrant. Then I'll add in the roughly blended peppers and onions. I'll stir that around and allow it fry very well. Now that it is well fried, it is time to season this. So I'll season with 2 cubes of my seasoning cubes. You can use seasoning powder. I'll just crumble those in, and I'll add some curry powder, some thyme, and I'll add my chopped chili flakes. I beg your pardon, some chopped chili peppers. Then I'll stir that. I'll taste. Then I'll add the grilled or fried goat meat. If you're using fried goat meat, I'll add that in. Then I'll mix everything together. I'll mix everything together, making sure the goat meat is well coated with the pepper sauce. Now you can make this as hot as you can tolerate. Yes. Now I'll add in the chopped green onions and then the bell peppers. I had little red bell peppers, so I mixed it with some green bell peppers, and that's what I just went in. So I'll just mix everything together. Taste. If I'm happy with the taste, then I'll begin to add in our rice. Now in goes our rice. I'll add a little at a time, a little then mix, a little then mix, a little then mix, until everything is well combined. Now, if this is your first time watching this, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Just click on that subscribe button, and please don't forget to like, share, and of course leave me a comment. Let's interact in the comment section. Thank you. So I'll keep mixing until everything is well combined. Mind you, this is happening on high heat right now, so you would want to be really fast doing this. I'll mix. When everything is well combined, I'll add the green part of our green onions, and I'll go ahead and mix some more, and this meal is as good as ready. When everything is well combined, you taste again for seasoning. If you need to add in some salt, you can go ahead and do that. If not, if you're happy with the taste, then it's fine. Now this is our deliciousness. Don't you just like this? Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.